Now, as we get to this bull flagging lesson, as we mentioned, when we were going through this, I'm just going to sort it from the bottom now since we keep hitting on the same few names, but I'm going to see if we can find a bull flag in any of these other Dow 30 names that are setting up. And we'll go through an example of Woody. Okay, now we'll use this Boeing. All right, so we got Boeing. Again, this what we want to see in a bull flag is you see a stock that has had a run up. So we can see this run up this name has had, went from 120 to 200, nearly 100, nearly 100 points in a few months. That was that initial run up. And then you can see this consolidation period where it trades within this range. It can't trade above 220. It can't trade below 190. It's in a 30-point range. It trades horizontally. So we had that initial up move. The stock gets exhausted and it starts to trade in a range. And now we don't want to buy the first attempt because that's just blindly chasing. We do not want to buy the retest because that's often when the buyers that were buying within this flag were buying 220 before are now looking to get out. And if anyone has traded in the past and has bought a stock at say 100 and it drops to 50 and it comes back to your price, your first thought is, you need to get out of this thing, you need to get my money back. I don't care if it's going to go to 200. I just want my initial investment to be recouped. And that's what's creating that resistance is those buyers trying to now get out because they sat through somewhat of a painful drop within that name. So our bigger focus is the third, fourth, and fifth attempt that we want to look to add and buy through that. And that's even like with the example of this RXD on a smaller time frame. You can see this was the first attempt. This is where we're in no way, shape, or form involved. This is that retest. It gets back up there, but there's still sellers in that area. And now that third attempt or fourth attempt is when we want to get involved, where the probability continues to increase with each subsequent attempt at that resistance area. And that's where, when you can spot that clear level of resistance in the name, same with like McDonald's, Sheikh was able to see that this name was flagging under this 272. And all we wanted to do was to buy once it was able to break above 272. And if we were wrong, we knew to get out below 267. We knew that was our risk. And the stock is broken out very nicely. And all we had to do with each day as it trades higher into the afternoon is when we want to raise our stops. And again, these are all things, raising these stops, how to probably move them up in successful swings. We're going to go over in much greater detail in the game planning and chart reading aspect of this program, but at least this gives you an idea of what to look for. And that's that third attempt through that resistance break is where we look to buy that pattern.